We see cat picture and we editing Photoshop only for beginners, making the most of mixed lighting, light beginner, core future, color and light. Start tutorial. Loading. Loading image. Camtasia. Photoshop editing is very important. Chapter 1 of 4, first level and 4 steps. Focus viewers' attention on the subject by removing unneeded information around the edges of the frame. Natalia Martens. So ready to go and continue. Open the crop panel. First time open the crop panel and crop panel. It's complete. Crop. Chapter 2 light. Next we will use expose to brighten the photo and contrast to add much needed contrast and continue. Finals your crop by tapping the check mark. Yes. Open the light panel. First open the light panel. Brighten the overall photo by increasing the exposure slider is okay. Do it. Now increase the contrast slider to make the image pop. Okay, do it. Contrast. Okay. Chapter 3 chapter 2 level is complete. Color. Let's use the tools in the color panel to balance and enhance the saturation of the colors in the photo. To see a color cast or color shift, look at areas that should be natural, such as the whiter fur of the cat. Okay, do it. Continue. Okay, open the color panel. First time open color panel. Open it. Notice how yellow the white fur looks. Move the temperature slider to the left to add blue to offset the yellow. Okay, temperature blue to offset yellow. Complete. News 10 to 8 minus 8. Okay, complete. Slightly increase vibrance to make the colors more vivid. Okay, vibrance completed. Then really boost the colors by dragging the saturation slider to the right to really bring up the color in the blanket. Okay, saturation is already blanket. Okay, done. Open the color mix panel. Open the color mix panel. Open. Okay, select the orange color. Selected. To further reduce the color cast from the room light, decrease the saturation of the orange colors. Okay, saturation completed. Orange color. Chapter 4 completed. Effects. Darkening the case of the photo called a vignette can help focus the viewer's attention on the primary subject. Okay, continue. Tap to the close the color mix panel. Done. Okay, done. Open the effect panel. Effect panel. Open. Darken the edges of the photo by decreasing the vintage slider to create a nice spotlight effect. Okay, completed. That looks great. Try another on photo. Continue. Congratulations that you pretty great. What did you think about tutorials? Thinking good. Done. Completed our first photo editing, and we will try another photo editing. Select it. Color correction for portraits. Color beginner. Go for light color effects. Start tutorial. Loading photo. Okay, loading completed. Chapter 1 to 33. Light. Let's make some adjustments using the light tools to brighten up this dual image. Okay, continue. Color correction for portraits. Open the light panel. First time we open the light panel. Okay, open. Her face is in shadow, and by moving the shadow slider clearly. Okay, shadows clearly. Increasing the highlights brightness of the child's face. Okay, highlights child face completed. Let's move this slider to increase the beginners of the image. Okay, white is completed beginners. Increase contrast for more dimension and intensity. Contrast, more dimension and intensity completed. Okay, deep black tones and eye intensity and create a solid tonal foundation. Okay, black tones and solid foundation completed. Okay, chapter 1 confirm complete. Color. With just a few quick color adjustments we will make this photograph look warmer and swinner. Continue. Open the color panel. First time we open the color panel. Okay, open. We're going to increase the temperature to make the image slightly warmer. Okay, complete. Okay, completed. Reduce the red tint by moving the slider to the left. Okay, completed. Make the color more vivid. Vibrance. Okay, completed. Okay, open the color mix panel. Select the grains. Select brightening the green foliage in the background brightness of the environment. Okay, luminance completed. Effects. Let's add the final touches to really polish this image. Yes, continue. Tap done to close the color mix panel. Okay, done. Open the effects panel. Open the effects panel. Done. Accentuated details and visual snap. Okay, clarity confirm. Adjust the dehaze slider to add some contrast and intensity to make the image pop. Dehaze. Okay, okay, completed. That's look great. Try this on our own photos. Okay, continue. Okay, done. Good. Completed our second photo editing. Another photo editing. Start. Pump up color and dimension. We see the pump up color and dimension. Optics. First things first, let's take advantage of the optic connections in Lightroom. This removes unwanted distortion and ugly color phrases around bright objects. Okay, continue. Open the optics panel. First time we open the optics panel. Open. Apply automatic lens corrections to remove distortion. Okay, complete. Apply remove unwanted color strings from around objects and bright highlights. Okay. Chapter 1 completed. Crop. Let's use the crop tool to reframe the coffee to remove the paper cup and finger. Continue. Open the crop panel. Okay. Open. Use the crop tool. Reframe the image and remove unwanted areas from the top of the frame. Okay, done. Chapter 2 completed. The light controls. Let us brighten this image and bring it back to life. Okay, continue. Finalize your crop by tapping the check mark. Okay, open the light panel. Open the curves tool. Okay, I like to start with the tone curve and then I use additional light panel slider tweak on expose. Okay, complete. I like to start with the tone curve and then I use additional light panel slider tweak on expose. Okay, I like to start with the tone curve and then I use additional light panel sliders to expose. Okay, tap down to close the curve panel. Okay, done. Brighten the overall photo. Okay, brighten the overall photo. Completed. Increase image contrast to make the coffee look richer. Contrast. Okay, done. Completed. Lighten the brighten tones to bring out the cream. Highlights. Completed. Darken the dark tones to add depth. Blacks. Complete. Chapter 4 complete of out of 5. Open the color panel. Open. Cool tone the image slightly, which looks great on the backdrop. Okay, completed. Make the colors more vivid. The way I see it, vibrance brings out the natural colors wonderfully. Vibrance. Complete. Open the color mix panel. Okay, open. Select the blues. The blue background is not popping as much as I'd like. I am using color mix to punch the blues up. Okay, saturation completed. Effects. I like to add a bit of clarity to my image to increase mid-tone contrast. Continue. Tap down to close the color mix panel. Okay, done. Open the effects panel. Open. Accentuate details and visual snap. That looks a lot better and more appealing. Clarity. Completed. Continue. Okay. Done. Our photo editing tutorial is completed. Thank you.